Welcome back, Primary 6. Let's continue Unit 1. Today we will learn Unit 1, Lesson 3. Lesson 3 is about miscellaneous exercises on the ratio and its properties. We studied before the meaning of ratio and properties of ratio. Okay, let's start. We have two cases. The first case, if we know the ratio between two quantities, the ratio is known, and also the real value of one of them is given. In this case, we can calculate the real value of the other one. Okay, let's take an example to clarify this point. Okay, here we have the ratio between a child's age and his father's is 2 to 13. So this is the ratio, 2 to 13. Also, if the child's age is 6 years, here we have the age of the child. This is the real age of the child, 6 years. Find the father's age. So the unknown here is the father's age. Okay. Let's write this information. We have a child age to father's age, 2 to 13, 2 for child and 13 for father. Also, we have 6 years old under child age, and we don't know the father's age. Okay, in this case, we can calculate the father's age easily by multiplying 6 times 13 over 2 or using cross product. Okay, so let's start. 6 times 13 over 2. There is a 12, 39 years. Okay, you can simplify. 2 divided 2 equal 1 and 6 divided 2 equal 3 and 3 times 13 equal 39. So the father's age here is 39. This is case number 1. Just use cross product. 6 times 13 over 2. There is a 12, 39 years. So father's age is 39 years. Okay, the second case, if we know the ratio between the two quantities and the real summation or the real difference of them, then we can calculate the real value of each one. Okay, so in this case, we know the ratio and the real summation or the real difference between the two. Between the two quantities. Then I want to calculate the real value of each one. For example, the ratio between the height of two buildings. We have two buildings. The height of them has the ratio of 4 to 7. If the difference between their heights is 9, find the height of each of them. Okay, let's write this information in another form, like a table. Here we have the height of building 1, the height of building 2, and the difference. Okay, the first line under this will be the ratio. We have 4 building 1 to 7 building 2, and also we have difference between their heights is 9. So this is the real difference. But here I want to calculate the ratio. The difference in ratio is 7 minus 4, which is 3. So the first line is about the ratio, 4 to 7, and the difference is 3. What about the real information we have? The only one information we have, which is real, is the difference between the two heights is 9. So write 9 here. We don't know the height of building 1. We don't know the height of building 2. Okay? So we have the ratio and the real information. Okay. We have to calculate the value of each part. How to calculate the value of each part? The real divided by ratio. Here we have 9 divided by 3. So the value of each part is 3. This number, if you multiply it by the ratio of building 1, you will get the real height of building 1. Then multiply 3 by the ratio of building 2, of the height of building 2, to get the real height of building 2. It's very easy. So the value of each part equal 9 over 3, which equal 3. Now I want to calculate the height of the first building, or building 1, equal 3 times 4. Building 1, 4. 3 times 4 equal 12 meter. The height of building 2 also 3 times 7 equal 21 meter. Okay. Let's take another example. 2 wire pieces, the ratio between their heights 5 to 9. If the summation, here we have summation of their length is 126 meter, find the length of each piece. By the same way, let's write the information as a table. We have wire 1, wire 2, and we have the summation. The ratio at first 5 to 9, and summation of ratios, let's add them. 5 plus 9 equal 14. So this is the summation of ratio. The real information, here we have the real summation is 126. By the same way, first step is to calculate the value of each part, equal real over ratio. So 126 over 14. This is the first step. The value of each part equal 126 divided by 14. The result will be 9. This 9 will be multiplied by 5 to get the length of wire 1, then multiplied by 9 to get the length of wire 2. Okay, let's do it together. We said before the value of each part is 9. The length of the first wire, 9 times 5. 9 times 5 equal 45 meter. The length of the second one, 9, also 9 times 9 here under wire 2, 81 meters. Okay, I hope you have understand our lesson today. You should practice by solving more exercises, and thank you very much for listening. Next lesson will be ratio among the three numbers. Thank you very much and good luck.